नमस्कारम एंड वेलकम टू ऑल द गॉर्जियस लेडीज। स्वागत है आपका हमारे आज के ब्यूटीफुल साड़ीज के एपिसोड पे, विच इज़ अबाउट ब्यूटीफुल कंचीपट्टू साड़ीज. I will be showing you a lot of gorgeous sarees. Those are very traditional, very authentic and very exclusive too. You need to sit back, relax with a hot cup of tea and enjoy today's live episode. But before moving on to the sarees, ladies, let me just tell you that festive season is upon us. Be it Sankranti, Bihu, Pongal or Lohri, different names, but the celebration remains the same all across our country. So ladies, this time we are going to make your festive season even more exciting, even more special by announcing one lucky winner every single day till the 14th of January. So these lucky winners will be given gift vouchers with worth rupees 2500, which you can redeem right away or on your next shopping bill on our website. So ladies, please make sure that you're watching our lives every single day to stay updated about the winners and also to redeem your gift vouchers. Now ladies, let me show you the first saree that I'm wearing right now, and this one is in gorgeous navy blue color. It's a very rich color and the copper zari is making it even more special because it gives a very beautiful look, adds a lovely shine. On the body we have florals and leaves jal in copper zari, while the border has cross lines with peacocks and florals again in copper zari. We also have beautiful peacocks here. Let me show you the gorgeous pallu for the saree, which has very lovely diamond brocade work over it in copper zari. And this saree has a very lovely self blouse. To place an order, you just need to take a screenshot along with the item code, that is BU233. Weaver's price is 20,999 and you need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. So before moving on to the collection, ladies, let me wish a very good morning to our dear customer Miss Lakshmi ji, and I hope you are enjoying today morning. A very beautiful morning it is, with a beautiful sari collection about lovely Kanchipattu sarees. So please stay tuned till the end of this episode because I have beautiful sarees to show to you and you can place your orders right away. Moving on to the next one. This one is such a gorgeous grey color Kanchipattu saree, and on the body of this one we have florals and leaves jal in gold zari. You can see the detailing of the floral buttees in maroon color thread work, in grey color thread work, making the design more prominent. Very lovely work is there. And the contrasting border in magenta color has florals and leaves jal with cross lines. And then we have peacocks in boxes with a lot of floral detailing around them in gold zari. A beautiful contrasting border with paisleys, diamonds and floral brocade work in gold again. And a lovely contrasting blouse. To place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is CG586. Weaver's price is 13,599 and you need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Now before moving on to the next saree, let me just wish a very beautiful morning to our beautiful customer Miss Ranjana ji, and I am sure that you are enjoying today morning with me with the beautiful saree collection with Varamahalakshmi Silks. Please stay tuned till the end of this episode because I am going to show you many gorgeous sarees from Kanchipattu collection. Let's have a look at the next one. A very lovely color is here for all the lovely ladies. Let's have a look at the body of this one. This one is in peach color. And the body has floral buttees all over it. Very beautiful, gorgeous gold zari work all over the body with thread work florals. And border has cross lines. We have diamonds and cross lines, and then there are elephants with peacocks and florals and leaves jal. All the work is in beautiful gold zari. Let's have a look at the pallu, which has florals. Along with that we have gold zari kadi. Very simple and elegant work is there. And a very lovely self blouse. To place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is CG553. Weaver's price is 14,399 and you need to send a screenshot to 8900010002. Before moving on to the next sari, let me just accept the rose that Miss Poonam has sent through an emoji. Thank you so much for your love and your support. And please make sure you're staying tuned till the end because I'm going to show you many more beautiful saris. Let's have a look at the next one now. Here comes a lovely green color Kanchipattu sari. These saris are pure silk saris, and on the body we have diamonds and cross checks and copper zari standing out and looking gorgeous and beautiful. Border has zigzag lines, florals and leaves jal and cross lines in copper zari. And a very beautiful pallu which has florals and curvy checks in copper zari. You can see copper adds a very beautiful shine to the silk fabric. And let me now show you the cell blouse which has brocade work all over it. To place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is CG556. Weaver's price is 16,500 and you need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Now dear ladies, before moving on to the next sari, let me just ask you, what are the color combinations, the designs that you want to see in today's episode? Just let me know your answers in the comment section down below. That way I can show you more of your favorites and you can place your orders right away from Varamahalakshmi Silks, because as you all know that Weaver's prices are only valid for 24 hours. Moving on to the next one, it's a classic combination of blue with pink, a beautiful sari, very gorgeous, and let me show you the body. We have floral buttis and zari on the body, beautiful gold zari work on the blue color body is there. Border in pink color has cross lines and leaf buttis in gold zari. And a beautiful contrasting pallu which has paisleys and cross lines in gold zari. Let me now show you the contrasting blouse, and to place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is BX346. Weaver's price is 15,675 and you need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Before moving on to the next sari, let me just answer a query by a very dear customer, Miss Swapnika Ji. So you want to see a sky blue with yellow color sari, and since it's a very unique combination and we do not have it in today's episode, you can always take an appointment from Varamahalakshmi Silks, and then our executives will give you a video call at your time of convenience and show you the beautiful sari that you want to see. But let me just say that your choice is very beautiful, so please make sure you're taking your appointment right away and having a look at the gorgeous collection of saris in your favorite color. Now moving on to the next sari, and this one is in magenta color, very beautiful color, and on the body we have florals and leaves jal in silver zari. Border has florals with peacocks, and then we have cross lines in silver zari. And a beautiful pallu with floral brocade work in silver zari too. Here's the contrasting blouse which has self-embossed work over it, and to place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is CA856. Weaver's price is 15,199 and you need to send a screenshot to 8900010002. Now before moving on to the next sari, ladies, let me just tell you that we provide global courier service and cash and delivery option is only available in Hyderabad. Now moving on to the next one, it's a beautiful and gorgeous sea green color Kanchipattu sari. On the body we have florals and leaves jal and gold zari. And the beautiful border has cross lines and florals and leaves jal in gold zari. Here's the lovely pallu which has brocade work over it. It's a contrasting pallu in navy blue color which has peacocks, cross lines, and then floral brocade work in gold zari. And a lovely contrasting blouse. To place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is CF970. Weaver's price is 14,399 and you need to send a screenshot to 8900010002. So my gorgeous ladies, before moving on to the next lovely sari, I will be showing you these simple steps. Just follow them to follow VML on Facebook and stay updated about our collections, weavers prices and the lucky winners too. Moving on to it. Hi guys, today I will tell you how to stay updated. Click on the settings and go to manage follow settings. Standard for posts, option all for videos and live videos. So dear beautiful ladies, as you all know that 2022 has started and the festive season is already upon us. Be it Sankranti, Bihu, Pongal or Lohri, different names but one festival and one celebration all over the country. So this festive season we are going to make it even more special and exciting for you by announcing our lucky winner every single day till the 14th of January. These lucky winners will be given gift vouchers worth rupees 2500. Isn't that great, ladies? And you can redeem it right away, immediately or on your next shopping bill on our website. So please make sure that you're watching our live every single day to be the next lucky draw winner and to know your answers too. Now ladies, moving on to the next sari. And it's a beautiful green color sari for a dear customer, Miss Saptami ji. So Miss Saptami, this one is a beautiful green sari which has floral buttis and then we have florals and leaves jal, and all this work is in gorgeous gold zari which looks very royal all over the body. And a beautiful border has cross lines. We have peacock buttis. Around that we have florals and leaves jal in gold zari. The work looks very royal here. And a lovely pallu which has paisleys, florals and dollars in boxes, leaf buttis, diamonds and cross lines in gold zari. A lot of gorgeous work is there. And we have a very beautiful contrasting blouse in maroon color. To place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is CG554. Weavers price is 10,799. You need to send a screenshot to 8900010002. Before moving on to the next sari, let me just tell you that this beautiful sari is for a beautiful customer, Miss Papnika ji, and let me show you this pastel color sari especially for you. Great choice by the way. And on the body of this one we have floral buttis in zari. This work is in beautiful gold zari which is adding a very lovely shine to the body of the sari. Border has florals, we have polkas and then cross lines in gold zari. Very subtle, very beautiful work. Here's the pallu which has cross lines over it in gold zari. And a very lovely silk blouse which has brocade work over it. To place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is CE415. Weavers price is 16,500. You need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Now before moving on to the next sari, let me just wish a very good morning to our very dear customer, Miss Abhilasha ji. Thank you for being here and thank you for watching our episode every single day very diligently. And today I'm going to show you very gorgeous traditional Kanchipattu saris. So please make sure you're staying tuned till the end and placing your orders right away, as weavers prices are valid only for 24 hours. Let me now show you the next one. It's a very beautiful borderless sari. And as you all know that borderless saris look very contemporary. So this one is in aquamarine blue color, and on the body we have this illusion of 3D boxes. We have zigzag design over it, zigzag lines in gold and copper zari, giving it a beautiful depth, a beautiful look. Here's the pallu. It's a contrasting pallu which has brocade work in geometrical shapes all over it. And a very lovely contrasting blouse. To place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is CG574, Weaver's price is 6,688. You need to send a screenshot to 8900010002. Now moving on to next gorgeous sari ladies, and I hope all the gorgeous ladies are staying tuned and watching this episode of Beautiful Saris, because I will be announcing yesterday's lucky winner too, so please stay tuned and watch the episode diligently. Moving on to the next one. On the body of this beautiful sari, which is in wine color, we have butterflies in sari, which makes the sari so unique, so beautiful. The butterflies are giving a very pretty, very feminine look to this wine color sari. They are in copper zari, which looks gorgeous as usual. We have a broad, big border which has florals and leaf shawl with cross lines. And a beautiful pallu. It's a contrasting orange pallu which has brocade work over it. Let me also show you the beautiful contrasting blouse, and to place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is CA884. Weaver's price is 15,199. You need to send a screenshot to 8900010002. Now before moving on to the next sari, let me just answer a query to a dear customer, Ms. Sri Lakshmi ji, and you wanted to see a lilac sari, and unfortunately I don't see it in today's collection, but you can always take an appointment from Varamahalakshmi Silks, and then our executives will give you a video call at your time of convenience and show you the beautiful lilac color saris that you want to see. It's a very beautiful choice. It's a very trending color. So please make sure to take your appointment right away. Now moving on to the next gorgeous sari. It's in lovely green color, very rich, very royal with gold zari. Moving on to the details. On the body of this beautiful green with magenta color Kanchipattu sari, we have florals and leaves jal in zari. Inside the floral buttis, we have small paisleys, gorgeous, beautiful detailing in gold zari. Love the design of this one. Very affordable, beautiful Kanchipattu sari. Border which is in magenta has temples, paisleys with florals and cross lines, and all this work in gold zari. Here is our pallu, which has brocade work all over it. And a very lovely contrasting blouse. To place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is CF565. Weaver's price is 9,599. You need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Moving on to next beautiful sari from today's beautiful collection about Kanchipattu saris. Let's have a look at this one. Here it comes. Beautiful color combination, isn't it? It's a purple with magenta color Kanchipattu sari, and on the body we have leaf buttis all over the body. All the work is in silver zari, which is adding a lovely shine. And the border, which is in magenta color, has temples and cross lines, florals and boxes, peacocks with elephants and florals and leaves jal. Again we have cross lines and a repetition of work to create a balanced and beautiful design. The pallu here is in pink color, which has florals and leaves jal with peacocks, and we have florals and cross checks. Beautiful work is there in champagne gold zari. And a very bright and beautiful contrasting blouse in pink color. To place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is CG560. Weaver's price is 11,999. You need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Now moving on to next beautiful sari right away. This one is a very beautiful sari, and it's in peach and sea green color. It's a beautiful color combination. Body has florals and cross checks in gold zari, and the cross checks also are made up of smaller florals. So very beautiful design is there. Our sea green color border has florals and leaves jal with paisleys and cross lines in gold zari. Gold zari adds a royal look to all the saris. And our contrasting pallu has florals and leaves jal and florals and cross checks. Beautiful brocade work in gold zari. And a very lovely contrasting blouse which has self-embossed work over it. To place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is CG565. Weaver's price is 17,999 and you need to send a screenshot to 8900010002. Moving on to our next sari now, another beautiful green color sari coming up for all the beautiful ladies. And this one is a very different one in very different style. On the body, which is in yellow and sea green color, we have florals and self-embossed work. So all the work on the body is in thread work, which makes the sari very lightweight, easy to carry and very unique too. The border has zigzag lines and zari boxes in copper and silver zari. And a beautiful pallu, which has florals and zari boxes. All the floral buttis and zari boxes are in copper zari. And a very beautiful contrasting blouse is there, which has lovely brocade work. To place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is CG557. Weaver's price is 14,399. You need to send the screenshot to you need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Now moving on to another very beautiful sari in a very beautiful color combination and one of my favorites from today's episode. Let's have a look. Isn't it very unique? On the body of this beautiful pink color sari, we have paisleys with florals and all this work is in thread work. It looks extremely beautiful. It's very lightweight, easy to carry and extremely unique too. The border in beautiful rosy pink color has temples, florals in boxes and diamonds. All the work in gold zari contrasting with the thread work on the body. And a beautiful pallu which has florals and zigzag lines in gold zari. There's a lovely contrasting blouse which has brocade work all over it, and to place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is CE749. Weaver's price is 14,399. You need to send a screenshot to 8900010002. So our next sari is also a very royal sari, and let me show you the details right away. It's in beautiful shade of green with blue. Let's have a look at it. It's a green with gold sari. And on the body of this one, we have florals and cross checks on the body. The florals are in green and blue color thread work. The body has gold zari work all over it. The beautiful sea green color border has leaves and cross lines, zigzag lines, florals and leaves jal, dollars and boxes, and bigger florals and leaves jal. And all this gorgeous work is in gold zari. Let me show you the contrasting pallu, which has florals and leaves jal and florals and diamonds brocade work in gold zari again. And a very beautiful contrasting blouse. To place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is CD616. Weaver's price is 15,400. You need to send a screenshot to 8900010002. So dear ladies, please let me know your favorite colors in the comment section down below, and that way I can show you more of your favorite saris and you can place your orders right away. Moving on to the next one, and here's a beautiful pink color Kanchipattu sari, a color that all of ladies should have. It's a must have in your wardrobe. The body of this one has floral buttis and paisleys with peacocks and florals and leaves jal. There's a forest theme work all over the body with a lot of animals. And a beautiful border has leaves, diamonds and cross lines, peacocks with florals and leaves jal, triangles again, cross lines, florals, and all this beautiful work is in gold zari. Here's our pallu, which has floral brocade work with peacocks, so the florals are in cross checks. And a very gorgeous contrasting blouse in emerald green color. To place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is CG555. Weaver's price is 15,000. 999. And you need to send a screenshot to 8900010002. So ladies, before moving on to the next sari, I will be announcing yesterday's lucky draw winner, and I'm very excited to tell you that. And ladies, I want to wish her a lot of congratulations from the team of Varamahalakshmi Silks. I'm so happy for you, Miss Yamuna Narayan ji, and please keep shopping from Varamahalakshmi Silks to be the next lucky draw winner. Ladies, this could be you next day, and we will be announcing today's winner in the evening live. So ladies, let me tell you, yesterday's winner is Miss Yamuna Narayan. Let's give her an applause and let's have a look at her experience in the video.
என் பேர் யமுனா. நான் நேத்து தான் வரமஹாலக்ஷ்மில வந்து ஷாப் பண்ணேன். It was my first time and I think that it was a really pleasant experience given that we're in the middle of a pandemic. நான் சிங்கப்பூர்லேருந்து தான் நான் ஷாப் பண்ணேன் on the website and I requested a video call initially because sareesலாம் லைட் இல்லாமல் பார்த்தா தான் like you kind of know how they are going to look, right? So now request பண்ணலேருந்து like the whole team, everyone was they were all very helpful. லைக் உடனே மெசேஜ் பண்ணி எப்படியும் நாங்கள் வீடியோ கால் அரேஞ்ச் பண்ணலாம், உங்கள் சௌரியத்துக்கு நாங்கள் பண்ணுறோன்னு. they were very helpful and I think that made the whole shopping experience very smooth and pleasant. I was able to make a decision and buy a saree yesterday, which I think it's a nice thing because நாங்கள் இப்போ கல்யாணத்துக்கு வாங்குகிறோம். and இந்த பொங்கல் ட்ராவில் வந்து என்னை லக்கி வினராக வந்து செலக்ட் பண்ணதும் எனக்கு ரொம்ப சந்தோஷம். it's a very auspicious time as well now. So I'm just happy all of it worked out well. And I would definitely recommend Varamahalakshmi to anyone out there who wants a unique collection, and also because the team is very helpful and my shopping experience so far has been very smooth. So I would definitely recommend Varamahalakshmi to anyone out there. Thank you.
So ladies, I'm back and I want to give a lot of warm wishes and congratulations to the yesterday's winner, which is Miss Yamuna Narayan ji from Singapore. And ladies, today's winner will be announced in today's evening live at 9 p.m. IST. So please make sure you're staying tuned, watching and tuning in to have a look and see who's the next winner. It could be you. So please make sure you keep shopping from Varamahalakshmi Silks. Also ladies, the festive season is upon us in 2022, be it Lohri, be it Sankranti, Bihu or Pongal, all these different names, but one celebration all across the country. And this festive season, we are going to make you happier and make you feel more special, because we will be announcing one lucky winner every single day till 14th of January. These lucky winners will be given gift vouchers worth 2,500 rupees. Isn't that amazing? I think it's very amazing. So please make sure that you're staying tuned and watching in. You can redeem this voucher right away or on your next shopping bill on our website. Now ladies, let me show you the next saree so that you can keep shopping and be the next lucky draw winner. Moving on to the next one now. This one is in beautiful 2 shades of green. Let's have a look at the body. On the body, which is in light green color, we have floral buttees in gold zari. Beautiful, very royal work is there, and the border, it's in blue color, has paisleys, florals in boxes, peacocks with florals, cross lines, and again we have peacocks with cross lines in dollars and boxes in gold zari. Here's a lovely contrasting pallu which has floral brocade work all over it in gold zari. And a very beautiful contrasting blouse is there. To place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is CF579. Vivo's price is 10,799. You need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Before moving on to the next saree, let me just thank our very dear customer Miss Vaishali ji for loving the pink color saree. I will definitely show you more such beautiful shades of pink so that you can place your orders right away. Moving on to the next one, and it's a gorgeous gold with pink color saree. Very gorgeous, isn't it? It's a very beautiful one. And the body has florals and leaves jal in thread work all over the gold zari body. It's a beautiful tissue saree, kanchipattu tissue, and on the body, which is in pink color, beautiful border has leaves, florals with leaves jal, cross lines, and again we have florals and leaves jal in gold zari, which looks extremely royal too. Here's a contrasting pallu which has cross lines and floral brocade work in gold zari. And we can see peacocks with leaf buttis too. And let me now show you the very beautiful contrasting blouse for this beautiful sari. To place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is CG558. Weaver's price is 17,249. You need to send a screenshot to 8900010002. Now moving on to next beautiful sari, and it's a very lovely shade. It's in peach color. Let's have a look at the details. On the body we have all our floral buttis in copper zari, which looks very subtle but at the same time adds a lovely shine to the fabric of the body. Border has peacocks and florals and leaves jal. We have dollars and all this very beautiful intricate work in copper zari. And a lovely pallu which has floral brocade work all over it in copper zari too. This sari has a very beautiful contrasting blouse in parrot green color, and to place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is BW553. Weaver's price is 8,479 and you need to send a screenshot to 8900010002. Now ladies, before moving on to the next sari, let me just tell you that these beautiful Kanchipattu saris are pure Kanchipuram silk saris. These saris are extremely traditional, very authentic, and they are straight from our heart, and they have a lot of beautiful work over them in zari. We are showing you many beautiful saris in different price ranges. So please make sure that you're placing your orders right away to avail to the amazing Weaver's prices, which are valid only for 24 hours, and also to be our next lucky draw winner. Moving on to the next sari now. This one is in a beautiful shade of magenta, and on the body we have floral buttis in gold and silver zari. So we have two different types of zari adding a beautiful glow to this already bright sari. Border has floral buttis, florals and leaves jal, dollars in boxes, cross lines, and all this beautiful work is in silver zari with a green color edge to the border. And our pallu has paisleys and florals and dollars brocade work. There's a self blouse for this beautiful sari, and to place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is CG581. Weaver's price is 7,839 and you need to send a screenshot to 8900010002. Ladies, you're going to love the next sari. It's very royal, it's very gorgeous. Let me show you the details right away. Such a rich sari. It's a gold with red color sari. And on the body we have floral buttis with florals and leaves jal in gold zari. Very lovely work is there all over the body. And the border has leaves, dollars in boxes, cross lines, floral buttis and florals and leaves jal in gold zari with a green color edge to the border. Here is our beautiful pallu, which has cross lines and florals and leaves jal. We have huge floral buttis, a lot of intricate detailing in gold zari, making the sari even more royal. And I will now be showing you the lovely self blouse for this lovely sari. To place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is CG564. Weaver's price is 11,999 and you need to send a screenshot to 8900010002. Our next sari is also a very beautiful one, so let me show you the details right away. Let's have a look at the color. It's in gold and rust color. Beautiful Kanchipattu sari. Body has florals and leaf jal. Very bright and beautiful work on the body. Border in rust color has peacocks and boxes, zigzag lines, florals and boxes, and all this beautiful work is in gold zari, looking very rich. Here's the pallu, which has brocade work all over it, so we have diamonds and cross checks. And we have a beautiful contrasting blouse. To place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is BY154, Weaver's price is 17,249. You need to send the screenshot to 890001 Before moving on to the next sari, let me just answer a query by a dear customer, Miss Ratna Prabhaji. So since you want to see a black color sari, which is very difficult to find in this collection, you can always take an appointment from Varamahalakshmi Silks, and then our executives will give you a video call and they will show you the beautiful sari that you want to see in black color from the collection of your choice. So please don't wait any longer and take your appointment right away and see your beautiful saris. Moving on to the next one, it's a gorgeous blue color sari. Very beautiful bright color with lovely zari work. So on the royal blue color body, we have peacocks in florals and leaves jal and copper zari, and you can see copper zari is standing out beautifully on the royal blue color. The border has florals and leaves jal, dollars in boxes, and cross lines in champagne gold zari. And here's the beautiful pallu, which has brocade work all over it. So first we have temples, peacocks in boxes, and then floral brocade work in copper zari. We have a lovely self blouse which has self-embossed work over it, and to place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is CD126. Weaver's price is 14,399. You need to send a screenshot to 890001 Before moving on to the next sari, let me just answer a query by a very dear customer, Miss Vandana Ji. So we will definitely try to show you a red and white color sari in our upcoming episodes. But if you need it immediately, you can take an appointment from Varamahalakshmi Silks, and then our executives will give you a video call at a time of convenience and show you so many variations in the color combination that you want to see. So please don't wait any longer and take your appointment right away. Let's have a look at the next sari. This one is in pink and mustard color, beautiful color combination. Body has florals and leaves jal in gold zari. Border has florals, polka dots in gold zari with cross lines, and then we have huge leaf buttis with a lot of floral detailing, and all this beautiful work is in gold zari. Here is our pallu, which has florals in cross lines, and then we have elephants in circular floral buttis, all this beautiful work in gold zari, adding a lovely shine. And let me now show you the contrasting blouse. To place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is CF926. Weaver's price is 8,799. You need to send the screenshot to 890001 Now moving on to next very beautiful sari from today's collection about Kanchipattu saris. Let's have a look at it. It's a lovely shade of wine. And on the body, we have florals and leaves jal and self-embossed work, which makes the sari very lightweight and easy to carry, perfect for people who are who have started wearing saris very newly. The border has zigzag lines, we have peacocks and florals in boxes and cross lines, then we have wavy lines and with diamonds in it in gold zari, beautiful gorgeous work. Here's the lovely pallu, which has florals and leaves jal in lines in gold zari. We also have paisleys jal, a lot of detailing is there. And a lovely self blouse. To place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is CC35. Weaver's price is 7,999, and you need to send the screenshot to 890001 Now moving on to next beautiful sari. This one is also a very classic combination of purple with magenta. On the body of this one, we have florals and leaves in champagne gold zari, which is adding a beautiful glow to the already gorgeous color. Border in magenta has temples, paisleys with florals and cross lines, and all this beautiful work again in gold zari is there. The contrasting pallu has floral brocade work over it in gold zari again. And a beautiful contrasting blouse. To place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is CD693. Weaver's price is 9,599, and you need to send the screenshot to 890001 0002. So dear beautiful ladies, before moving on to the next sari, let me just have a little chat with you. So since you all know that the festive season is already upon us, and be it Sankranti, Bihu, Pongal or Lohri, all these different names but one celebrations all across our country. And this festive season we have decided to make your festivities and celebration even more exciting and special by picking our one lucky winner every single day till the 14th of January. These lucky winners will be given a gift vouchers worth rupees 2500 rupees. Isn't that amazing? Yes, it is, ladies. And you can redeem it right away or on your next shopping experience on the bill from our website. So ladies, please make sure that you're staying tuned every single day to our lives and checking out who's the winner and also shopping every single day to be the next lucky winner. Moving on to the next gorgeous sari now. A beautiful mustard color Kanchipattu sari. It's in mustard and orange color. It's very lightweight, easy to carry. Body has floral buttees in gold zari. Border in light orange color has temples and zigzag lines, paisleys with florals and leaves jal in gold zari. And a beautiful pallu which has floral buttees in kadi in gold zari. Here's a lovely contrasting blouse in orange color, and to place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is BY736. Weaver's price is 6,639. You need to send a screenshot to 8900010002. Now moving on to the next very beautiful sari. This one is in mehndi green with blue color. Let's have a look at the details. So very unique color combination, and on the body we have peacocks and curvy checks in gold zari. Border has leaves, florals and leaves jal, cross lines, and then we have peacocks with florals and leaves jal in gold zari. Looks very gorgeous. Here is our contrasting pallu which has florals in boxes, leaf buttees with cross lines, florals in boxes again, and zigzag lines, and all this beautiful work in gold zari. And a very lovely contrasting blouse. To place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is CG584. Weaver's price is 14,399. You need to send a screenshot to 8900010002. Our next beautiful sari is in two tones of blue. It's in royal blue with navy blue color. Let me show you the details right away. On the body we have florals, buttees in gold zari, and you can see the florals are in diamond shaped pattern, creating a lovely design all over the body. Border in navy blue color has dollars in boxes, diamonds, peacocks and paisleys in boxes with gold zari. And a beautiful contrasting pallu which has floral brocade work over it in gold. Let me now show you the contrasting blouse for the sari, and to place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is CG588. Weaver's price is 10,799, and you need to send a screenshot to 8900010002. Now moving on to the next beautiful sari from today's collection about Kanchipattu saris. These saris are pure Kanchipuram silk saris. Moving on to the next one. It's in lavender and green color, and the body has floral buttees and diamonds on the body in silver zari. It's in half and half design, which makes it even more unique and lovely. Very gorgeous sari, ladies. Very unique style. And this side, which is in bottle green color, has paisleys with florals and leaves jal in silver zari. And the border has cross lines over it. Pallu has floral brocade work in gold zari, in silver zari, adding a beautiful shine to the green color, contrasting beautifully, and a very beautiful contrasting blouse too. To place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is CD697. Weaver's price is 10,399. You need to send a screenshot to 8900010002. So ladies, before moving on to the next sari, I would like to congratulate yesterday's lucky draw winner, who is Miss Yamuna Narayanji from Singapore. And thank you so much for being a loyal customer of Varamahalakshmi Silks, which made you a lucky winner. Ladies, let's give her a round of applause and see her shopping experience too. Moving on to this.
என் பேர் யமுனா. நான் நேற்று தான் வரமஹாலட்சுமியில் வந்து ஷாப் பண்ணேன். It was my first time and I think that it was a really pleasant experience given that we're in the middle of a pandemic. நான் சிங்கப்பூர்லேருந்து தான் நான் ஷாப் பண்ணேன் on the website and I requested a video call initially because sareesலாம் லைட் இல்லாமல் பார்த்தா தான் like you kind of know how they are going to look, right? So நான் request பண்ணலேருந்து like the whole team, everyone was they were all very helpful. லைக் உடனே மெசேஜ் பண்ணி எப்படியும் நாங்கள் வீடியோ கால் அரேஞ்ச் பண்ணலாம், உங்கள் சௌரியத்துக்கு நாங்கள் பண்ணுறோன்னு. they were very helpful and I think that made the whole shopping experience very smooth and pleasant. I was able to make a decision and buy a saree yesterday, which I think it's a nice thing because நாங்கள் இப்போ கல்யாணத்துக்கு வாங்குகிறோம். அண்ட் இந்த பொங்கல் ட்ராவில் வந்து என்னை லக்கி வினராக வந்து செலக்ட் பண்ணதும் எனக்கு ரொம்ப சந்தோஷம். இட்ஸ் a very auspicious time as well now. So I'm just happy all of it worked out well. And I would definitely recommend Varamahalakshmi to anyone out there who wants a unique collection, and also because the team is very helpful and my shopping experience so far has been very smooth. So I would definitely recommend Varamahalakshmi to anyone out there. Thank you.
Sari for a beautiful customer, Miss Suraksha ji. This one is in beautiful shade of blue with magenta color, just like you wanted. It's a very lightweight sari, totally affordable too. Lovely Kanchipattu sari. On the body we have floral buttees in copper zari, which is standing out beautifully on the blue color. And the border in magenta color has diamonds, florals in boxes, florals and leaf jal, and all this beautiful work in copper zari. Lovely contrasting pallu has floral brocade work over it. And a very gorgeous contrasting blouse. To place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is CG573. Weaver's price is 5,919. You need to send a screenshot to 8900010002. So Ms. Suraksha ji, I hope you like this sari and you will place your orders right away, as the weaver's prices are valid only for 24 hours. Moving on to the next beautiful one from the Kanchipattu collection. Let's have a look at it. On the body of this beautiful peach with purple color Kanchipattu sari, on the body we have drop buttees in gold and silver zari with diamond detailing inside the drop buttees, making the design even more lovely. The border in magenta color has paisleys and boxes, cross lines, diamonds, peacocks with florals and leaves jal, and all this beautiful work in champagne gold zari. Here's the pallu, a contrasting pallu which has florals and leaves jal and floral brocade work over it. And a very beautiful contrasting blouse. To place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is CG567. Weaver's price is 14,399. You need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Now moving on to next very beautiful sari. This one is in a gorgeous color combination. Let's have a look at it. This one is a yellow with green color Kanchipattu sari, and on the body we have florals and leaves jal in gold sari, which is adding a very lovely shine to the sari. Border in green color has paisleys, florals and dollars and boxes, peacocks with florals and leaves jal and cross lines. Then we have florals and circular buttees with triangles and paisleys. A lot of beautiful work is there in gold sari. And here is our contrasting pallu, which has temples, paisleys and diamond brocade work in gold zari. Let me now show you the beautiful self blouse, which has contrasting blouse, which has self-embossed work over it. And to place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is CF948. Weaver's price is 15,999. You need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Moving on to next very beautiful sari. This one is in gold color. Let's have a look at this gorgeous one. gold and pink color, and on the body we have floral buttees. It's a lovely kanchi tissue sari which has a beautiful shine all over it. It looks very gorgeous. And the border has cross lines, diamonds, florals in boxes, and then we have a lot of floral detailing here. A beautiful work in gold sari. Here's the lovely contrasting pallu which has peacocks and circular buttees and floral brocade work in gold sari again. And a very beautiful contrasting blouse to place in order. Please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is CG568. Weaver's price is 11,199. You need to send a screenshot to 8900010002. So dear beautiful ladies, now that we are done with these saris, I will be showing you the saris that are draped on the mannequin, so that you can have a look, you can understand how gorgeous you will look when you drape it on yourself, and with your lovely smile you're going to glow in it. Moving on to the first one. This one is a beautiful light blue with beige color kanchipattu sari which has floral buttees on the body in silver zari. The border in beige color has beautiful village theme work over it. If you have a closer look, you can see a lot of detailing is there. A lot of intricacies there. Pallu has leaf brocade work, and there's a contrasting blouse to place in order. Please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is CE761. Weaver's price is 9,519. You need to send a screenshot to 8900010002. Moving on to the next gorgeous sari now. This one is in navy blue color with gold zari work all over it. We have florals and leaves jal and gold zari on the body. The border has cross lines with peacocks in boxes in gold zari again. A lovely contrasting pallu is there with brocade work in gold zari, and a beautiful contrasting blouse too. To place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is CE42589. You need to send a screenshot to 8900010002. Before moving on to the next sari, let's take blessings from the divine goddess ladies, and now moving on to the next beautiful one. This one is in bright peach color. Body has circular buttees. Inside them we have peacocks and elephants in gold zari. Very beautiful work is there. The border has paisleys and florals and leaves chal with cross lines in gold zari. Our pallu has brocade work with cross lines over it, and a lovely self blouse. To place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is CG582. Weaver's price is 13,200. You need to send a screenshot to 8900010002. And now we are moving on to the last sari, and one of the most gorgeous sari from today's episode about kanchipattu saris. This one is in mehndi green with pink color. Body has peacocks, elephants in circles with curvy checks, and all this beautiful work in gold zari, shining brightly, looking very gorgeous and lovely. Border in pink color has cross lines and floral jar in lines with paisleys and gold zari again. The pallu has cross lines over it. Contrasting blouse in pink color, and to place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is CE424. Weaver's price is 15,599. You need to send a screenshot to 8900010002. So my dear beautiful ladies, I hope you enjoyed today's episode, which was about lovely kanchipattu saris. And also ladies, please make sure that you keep shopping from Varamahalakshmi Silks, because you could be the lucky winner too. So today's winner will be announced in today's live at 9 p.m. IST. Please make sure to tune in and have a look at the winners too. And ladies, we will be back tomorrow with another exciting episode. Until then, stay safe and keep shopping from Varamahalakshmi Silks. Keep giving us all your love and all your support too. Namaskaram.
వచ్చాను. వచ్చి ఈ కలెక్షన్స్ అంతా చాలా బాగుంది, బాగా ఎంజాయ్ చేశాను. మీరు కూడా ఈ కలెక్షన్స్ చూడాలంటే ప్లీజ్ లాగ్ ఆన్ టు Kanchi VML Silks in Facebook, Insta and also on YouTube, and you can shop online freely, peacefully. And if you want to go in person, the shops are located in Telangana, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu and Andhra.
Hi guys, today I will tell you how to stay updated. Click on the settings and go to manage follow settings. Standard for posts, option all for videos, and live videos.